Okay, so for the first time, the SyncPod has a guest. And I'm very sad na sira pa rin camera ko nang may
Oo.
guest kami.
Parang isa 'to sa mga milestone ng ano natin, podcast.
Ah,
Tapos
we can't
clear
fight fate. Talagang nasira camera ko. Wala pa akong allowance kasi na rin ako halos pasok. So, I can't really find the funds para mag ano ng camera. Pero let's not keep our guest waiting. Meron ako dito introduction. He is currently a student at UP Diliman in the College of Tourism. He is a seasoned alumni of both Ateneo de Manila University and University of Santa Tomas. He is proficient in both sports and esports, specifically Valorant and volleyball. He is known to be very good in the creation of publication materials, also known as PubMats, and is the official social media manager of Mice to Meet You. And most importantly, he is one of the greatest and closest friends of Rick and Uno. Ladies and gentlemen, people of the Sync Pod, let's introduce our special guest for the next few episodes, Dean.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Rick, and thank you, Una, for having me.
So, of course, this actually helps us more than it helps you, so don't thank us.
Yeah,
Thank
we should
you.
thank you. We
Pero,
we ran out of things to content kasi kailangan ko nakakitaan ka namin.
we need more things to profit off. So,
Medyo tired na kasi kami ni Rick, kaming dalawa lang nagsasalita.
medyo naumay na rin ako sa mukha ni Uno eh. Buti nga sira camera ko eh, hindi naumay si Uno sa mukha ko eh.
True, true.
Pero, okay, so unang question din, ano opinion mo dun sa introduction? Ako nag-select nun.
Ah, alam mo yung with the with the new technology that has been developing over the years, we came across a lot of new tools that we can use for our own benefits that can also help us in better performance, better outputs.
Oh.
That's why with the release of ChatGPT,
Uy, hindi ChatGPT yun. Ano yun? Straight from the heart yun. Ano yun?
True.
Oh. Literally,
yeah,
the things that
Sinulat
first...
mo ba yan?
Hindi, literal na finrestyle ko lang.
Isa mo lang.
Finrestyle ko lang yun. Like, what, ano ba, when I think of Dean, ano bang alam ko tungkol sa kanya na pwede ko ikwento? UP, Ateneo, UST. Magaling sa bala, magaling sa volleyball. Tropa na. Everyone introduced Dean. Ganun. Parang,
yes, I feel very warm and cozy.
you feel very warm and cozy. Well, welcome to the, welcome. Is this, ito ba yung unang mong podcast? Ito yung unang podcast na sinalihan.
Yes,
Yes.
We feel so honored.
We feel so honored to, to
you
be...
should be.
Yes. Yun ang gusto ko kay Dean, bro.
Yun yung gusto ko yun. Yung mga
Yun
next
yung hanga ako
episodes
kay Dean.
yung mga next episodes natin, sobrang sobrang exciting kasi meron,
Fresh perspective. Bagong
kasi
perspective.
'di ba, as much as we disagree with each other, parang syempre kapana natin yung how we speak, and we both have this di naman conservative way of speaking, pero we know or parang
We try not to ruffle a lot of feathers.
oh this guy
Dean has no problem ruffling those feathers, bro.
parang he has no issue whatsoever
Yes.
in uh, in
That's a
breaking a
rare
few
that's a rare characteristic lalo
kaya
na
nga
ngayong
eh.
2025.
Oh. Tsaka one thing pa about Dean. So, to put it out there. Dean, for the people watching, kasi, will you be, syempre, SyncPod, in order to grow, kailangan namin ng sponsor. do you see this podcast being sponsored by your sole proprietorship, Kandiwa, in the future?
Well, so far it's still small, but for sure, if for sure in the future, uh, I believe SyncPod will be growing even more alongside Kandiwa. So we're kind of like growing alongside each other. So for sure in the future, since we have this connection, there really is a possibility that that Kandiwa can sponsor SyncPod, and not just those simple tokens or like promotional materials, but maybe even bigger types of sponsorships.
So, ayan, okay. Uno, sabihin may sponsor na tayo. Kailangan lang natin mag-grow.
Ganun namang milestone sa
Another
pod-
milestone. Two milestones in one episode.
one episode.
Very nice, very nice.
All because of
The our special guest. So,
very, very special guest.
our next episodes will feature this guy, and we'll be tackling different topics. Please stay tuned, and please enjoy, please continue to support us.
And please enjoy the new perspective that SyncPod has to offer.
Yeah, this is gonna be a hell of a ride. Very hell of a ride.